Hi everyone, Cindy Squirrel here from Squirrel Mills Farms. I'm in this seed challenge and it was giving me ideas to look on different YouTube videos. And I seen winter sowing and I thought, well, this is intriguing, because you can't get on your garden first thing. It might be wet, it might be, so you plant your seeds in a jug and you set the jug outside in the wintertime. And then that way you're not dedicating a room of your house to all these plants. If you don't have the room, you put them in the dirt, you put them in the jug, you put the jug outside in the snow near your garden, and the jug acts like a greenhouse effect. And as soon as it's warm enough, your plants will just germinate and they'll grow. And it's just, it was an awesome idea, I thought. So they say to take a jug like this, and I'll show you what I did with this one here. You just cut it, put your dirt in and put your seeds in, and then you would tape that shut. You'd water this. You put holes in the bottom of the container and holes in the top, and then when it rains, your plant will get germinated and it's protected from the elements, and this will give you a greenhouse effect. And I was all gung-ho. I was thinking that was the best idea since sliced bread, instead of having your dining room table and all your windows full of plants. But then I realized, I have a dog. And as you can see, I have set a jug outside. Now I know you would set it near the garden and it would get covered in snow. And there we go. My garden. I would have plants everywhere. So I don't think this method would be a very good one for me. So I think I put these two pumpkin, I think it is, or squash seeds, and I didn't put a hole in the bottom of this, but I will, and put it on a dish. And I'll just keep them in the house and it will still have the greenhouse effect. Should work. Just I won't have a garden scattered all over the yard.